In this video, I'll explain how to convert landscape or horizontal video into portrait video or vertical video. And also, I will explain how to convert video into different formats like Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube Shorts, etc. for free without any subscription or without paying any amount. Okay, first navigate to https://playseat.net videographer website. Okay, now I am in this website. Okay, so now you have to upload your video here. Click on upload video here, then select the video. So video is uploading. Yeah, the video is uploaded now. You can see here presets. There are different presets are there. So we can convert into Facebook cover. We can convert into Facebook horizontal, square, Facebook horizontal, vertical, feed horizontal, Instagram feed square, feed vertical, Instagram story, LinkedIn, Twitter, and Pinterest and YouTube. So you can select any custom. So right now I'm selecting Twitter vertical. So once you select the Twitter vertical, it will display like this. You want to convert into LinkedIn, it will be format like this. And if you want YouTube, it will format like this. This is the horizontal video or landscape video. If you want to convert into short video, YouTube short video, then change the width and height. The height 1080 and height as 1920. Yeah, so you can see that converted into YouTube short, and it can move where exactly it should be placed. You can move up and down. After that, you can check how this playing as video is playing. Yeah, after that you can download video. Click on download video. You can select any preset and click on download video. So it's getting ready. You can see here the options came. Click here to download. Okay, so you can download by clicking here. Yeah, you can save the video. Yeah, video will be saved. If when you are downloading again, it will ask you to register. So you can register with your Gmail account. That's it. Yeah, this is the way how to convert your videos into different format. If you like it, please subscribe the channel and also please share it. Thank you.